Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick little video tonight. Let's say you've got a menu like this, with listings and filter and forms and stuff like that, okay? If you go to scan that in Tosca, it'll give you something like this. You'll get menu club as a link, but you won't actually be given the high level menu unless you click each one of them individually. Sometimes you just want to have a more elegant way of accessing those menus, and you can do that by, I'll show you now actually. Do a little scan, okay? Okay, so we can do select on screen, and you can say I want club, which is all well and good. And then we zoom out. Now, even though I've selected club, you see it has to be expanded out all the way to see these sub entries. Now, I could select each one of them, but I don't want to do that, okay? But what we can see is that if we look at listings, which is one of the entries, I like the way the resize is like 1 pixel wide. It's just fantastic, isn't it? Let me grab it down here. So these are identified by the inner text, okay? So forms, inner text is forms, Fabric Live is inner text Fabric Live. So what you can do is you can select one of these things, okay? Which I've done already. So I've highlighted the menu club, and then I have one of those entries. I don't know which one it was, might have been forms. And over here you can see the inner text is now a menu entry. It's a buffer. So let's go over to the little test. You can see I'm setting the buffer, menu entry, to be listings. And then I'm going in, I'm saying click on menu, and then click on the menu entry specified by the menu entry. You see? So let's just run that.